I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media. Outback Goldfields has provided an update on its Yeungroon and Glenfine projects in Australia. These are two of the company's 4 key assets in the highly prospective Fosterville Gold District in the Victoria Goldfields in southeast Australia. Chris Donaldson, CEO, stated, "We are excited to update shareholders on drilling progress at our Yeungroon project located in the heart of the Victorian Goldfields. A diamond drill rig is currently in operation and focused on investigating the extent of high-grade gold mineralization historically mined at the Golden Jacket mine. Most holes to date have intersected zones of quartz veining with locally high sulfide contents. Drill core samples are being rushed for analysis, and additional drill holes are planned." The 698 square kilometer Yeungroon property is transected by the north-trending crustal scale Avoca fault, which separates the western Stawell zone from the eastern Bendigo zone. 7 holes totaling more than 1,800 meters of rotary air-based drilling has been completed to date at the Golden Jacket Reef, and geochemical results from top-of-bedrock samples will help guide future diamond drilling. Results have also been received from the company's final holes at the multi-rig drill program at Glenfine, where the program focused on evaluating the continuity of gold mineralization within a significant corridor of prospective geology between the Reef 2 and Glenfine South prospects. Outback's Ballarat-based technical team successfully completed the program while dealing with multiple government-issued lockdowns and analytical delays. The Glenfine project is centered on a 30-kilometer section of the north-trending crustal scale Avoca fault, which juxtaposes Cambrian rocks of the Stawell zone to the west with Ordovician rocks of the Bendigo zone to the east. Previous exploration drilling intersected numerous intervals of significant gold mineralization at both target areas, such as 3.8 meters of 9 grams per ton gold, with 1.3 meters of 23.4 grams per ton gold in hole CCD01 at British Banner, and 3.8 meters of 5.7 grams per ton gold, with 0.8 meters of 21 grams per ton gold in hole PFD031 at Glenfine. The current program consisted of 8 diamond and 12 reconnaissance reverse circulation drill holes. Results from 3 of the initial holes were reported in May, highlighted by 5.1 meters at 2.90 grams per ton gold, including 0.3 meters at 15.02 grams per ton gold in hole OGA4 and 17.30 meters at 2.66 grams per ton gold, including 1.30 meters at 10.65 grams per ton gold and 0.8 meters at 9.31 grams per ton gold in hole OGA5. Both holes cut strong zones of quartz reef and or breccia hosted in mineralization in the targeted stratigraphic and structural horizons. The results suggest down-dip and up-dip mineralization continuity over 100 meters in the northern end of Reef 2. Holes OGA 6, 7, and 8, collared 140 meters north of OGA 4 and OGA 5, were step-out holes designed to test midway along the Reef 2 to Glenfine South corridor. Hole OGA 8, which returned 2.4 meters at 4.76 grams per ton gold, including 0.8 meters at 6.71 grams per ton gold, intercepted the top of a zone of reef-hosted gold mineralization with potential for extension of up to 50 meters down dip. OGA 2, which returned 2.4 meters at 1.86 grams per ton gold, including 0.8 meters at 5.27 grams per ton gold, was drilled from the same pad as OGA 1 and intersected quartz reef-hosted mineralization along strike from the historic Glenfine South mine. Hole OGR011 intersected a 1-meter zone of mineralization at 50 meters depth, which returned 2.39 grams per ton gold and is interpreted to be a parallel structure to Reef 2 and is thought to be open at depth. The remaining holes had no significant intercepts. Chris Donaldson, CEO, added, "The most recent results from the company's step-out holes demonstrate the high potential of the corridor for additional reef-hosted gold targets. Together with our previously reported drill results that confirmed strong grade continuity within Reef 2, suggests that additional drilling is warranted to fully evaluate the resource potential of this exciting trend." The company is well funded with its shares trading at 20 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, outbackgoldfields.com, contact Investor Relations at 604-900-3450, or by email at info@outbackgoldfields.com. I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media.